As you can see, it's not burning. It's just turning a nice golden brown. Working out nicely.
In this game, we're dropping Power Grid with another team of 3, although I don't believe we knew that at first. Brandon and I managed to get guns right away, so we're just going to try and make a move on these guys. This one dude's kind of looking out for us as we approach here. I'm going to check these side windows first. Then we try to check the front door, but don't see a whole lot, so Brandon goes for the flank play. I guess this guy's two buddies had a hard time finding guns right away or something. After Brandon goes down here, I know we got these guys at our back, so we kind of hide out in there, and then Josh is out here looking for the flank play. Takes out the one guy that didn't have a gun. Gets into it with the other guy a little bit. Gets some damage done. And then I believe I'm trying to see him through the window and just see if I get the angle. And I'm not sure if there's a fourth or not, so we're trying to stay relatively safe here. And eventually I'm able to kind of peek through this door here and get an angle on him. Now, interestingly, this guy actually jukes us. We thought he left the compound or DC'd or something, but he actually doesn't. He chills up here on the roof, has no meds or anything, and actually tails us at a distance for the rest of the game. Until the end, but we'll see him die later. Now Brandon's actually somehow got stuck in here. I'm not sure exactly how he gets unstuck. At this point, we're able to pretty freely loot San Martin, although this one guy kind of wanders in. Didn't work out too well for him. I think we'll watch that again. We leave San Martin. There's a guy nearby that's leaving kind of at the same time in a vehicle. And he actually makes a really nice play. You can see him hop into the passenger side and start thumping rounds on us. But he is only one guy. At some point we move on, get closer to the circle, and we start going on foot, and this guy back here is trying to hit us up a little bit. He's actually a fairly decent shot. But he's actually going to run into this guy, Rinsler Strife. This is the guy from the very beginning of the game that hit on the roof like a little pansy. He actually spends most of the game just looting out in the middle of nowhere and eventually makes it in towards the end here. He's got to make it around this hill to not get lit up by this guy. Doesn't quite make it. Well, that guy's getting lit up. We're over here spotting another team out that's trying to move towards the white circle, which worked out really well for us. So we start dumping some rounds on them just to push them back. We don't get anything that sticks really, but that beard guy's actually going to start shooting at us now. I don't think we knew really where he was, so we just start putting some smoke out. There's another team, the purple markers, Team 23. They may have been shooting at us too at the time. I can fast forward a little bit here, but we'll see Beard actually run into those two guys way out there. The lay of the land now is those two guys, he gets the revive, so they're both up. This other team of three in the compound has to move out, and we are in the white circle already, so we've got by far the terrain advantage. But they're going to try and move over on us, and as we rotate over to them, you'll see this duo over here rotate on us as well. The guy you saw just go down is actually this guy. He's actually scouting a ways ahead of his team. Actually tees off on us pretty good. He just takes way too long to take a shot, and I luckily noticed him in time. Looks like he actually got a shot off and missed, maybe. And at this point, we're both taking crossfire from that purple team out there. But the goal here is not to let them revive or rotate on us, so we try to move on them before we get hit by these guys too much behind us. I'm not sure why they're just running, but Josh gets hit back here by that purple team. Brandon and I are getting tagged. Now these guys get super aggressive on us, so I'm going to slow this down quite a bit because it goes down pretty quick. This guy on the left is throwing some nades at us, but he's a little bit behind the curve. So we're just moving away from him and just scanning for the guys coming at us. So there's the guy there. And he sees me already. Starts lighting me as I'm running here. Managed to hit the dirt just below his line of fire, but this guy's dropping frags over. And Brandon's just dumping rounds in this guy. I guess just drawing a circle around him or something. As he's doing this, I managed to get back up and put some shots on him, knock him out. Here comes the other guy. I get dropped. And Brandon's gonna stand up just in time for the call out and just outshoots him.